we both detangle our souls. This argument's been in the oven. We can't always be in control. Are you alone, babe? No one needs alternates. Let the truth set you free. Maybe we need a couple's therapy. Me, I'm ready, fill my head with thoughts of dread. I feel so abandoned, but do you wanna change? Cause I know that I could too.
Yeah, let me talk to you.
Gotta undo my selfish habits.
They can hold that for you, that pain, that stress. Let go all past worries, let's face it. I wanna be the doctor and be the medication. I can, but I know I'm booking this a vacation again. ADHD and some crazy ass friends. 10 MGs and I do my dance. Cussing you out, you the one I resent. Cussing you out, I delete and resend. Sorry, I got 3 selves, one's 12. Sorry, you gave me hell, once felt. Sorry, honeymoon phase over now. Locking, listen to me, baby, cause I ain't done talking. We can be angry, but can we be honest? You were so fed up with the same old problems. Got a lot of bags, but you ain't know about it. You love this, but you so ain't know about it.